Hi friends, Mathematics Formula Handbook, first and second semester BE program, first scheme 2022. This formulas help for your exams, derivations of some standard functions. Write down in your notes. Constant derivative is 0, ex derivation is ex, sin x derivation is cos x, tan x derivation is secant square x, secant square derivation is secant square x into tan x, log x is 1 by x, and is sin inverse of x derivation 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Write down your notes, help for your exams. Next is x power n and nx power n minus 1, ax derivation ax log x, cos x sin x, cot x, cos x square x, and is a cos x cot x, log x divided by x, and cos x sin x minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, cot inverse of x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, division of cos h x. This cos h is constant in the angle, is those sin hx is as it is, and cot x is cot andre cos ehx square x is next ehs derivation is minus cos ehx cot x. And rules for derivations. Rules: when you constant and not derive with respect to x but not with respect to u, that derivation is c into du by dx. And dv is rules is some rules in product rules is a quotient rule. Apply is a derivation two constants, two variables and two variables in divide form, that this rules is applied. And next is parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation is dy by dx, and constant dy by dx when dy by dt divided by dx by dt cancel, that produces dy by dx, but not cancel, you differentiate with respect to t or another constants with respect to. And chain rule is one as it is, that which one is respect to derivation, that derivative. And next is du is as it is, dy by du is as it is, du is cancel but not cancel, derivation dy by du by dx, that produces dy by dx. One is as it is, another is derivative. And is integrals of some standard functions, constant of integral c, added is all the integrals. Write down in your notes. You already read in second PUC, first PUC, and CET exams, JEE exam. That is integrals. Integrals is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 derivative is x raised to n. That is reverse is integration. Write down. Tan x derivation is secant square x, is secant square x integration is tan x. Reverse, all are reverse. And next is un function is integration is limits, is not limits, there are no limits, that is limits applied to limits 0 to a. When you 0 to a and 0 to a in functions in a minus x, your 0 to a is as it is, but these functions is a minus x. Question is not a minus x, but answer is a minus x. And is when you apply the minus, limits is change, upper is downer and downer is upper. and is limit is 1 minus and another limit is a, that you 0 to a and 0 x is even function, 0 if you f of x is odd function, and 2a 2 is when is 2 down, that answer is f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x is 2 are applicable for the 2a integration 0 to 2a f of x dx. And next is integration by parts. That is a rule in integration u of x, v of x, and one is as it is, another is integration, another integration, next is minus, and another constant is next, again differentiation, again integration, again differentiation. The integration differentiation involved this part, integration by parts. And next is Bernoulli's rule of integration. The first function is polynomial, and integration to polynomial is x raised to cube, x raised to square, that is a polynomial, and integration is polynomial only v dx minus u raised to 1. Differentiation one first differentiation is only first one integration, and next is double differentiation, double integration, triple differentiation, triple integration. These all the differentiation and integration involved. And next is where dashes is the dots and differentiation to u. Next is or, that is you use this part or this part, integration of u of x and v of x dx equal to v dot v1 and v dash of v2, and these all the same. v1 is integration 1, v2 is double integration, v3 is triple integration, v4 is 4 times integration. And next is where dashes is denoted differentiation, uk denotes integration uk times with respect to x. Vector calculus formula in read in second PUC, first PUC vectors, they apply the formulas how to apply. And r vector equal to x y z, x y z is 3 regions, and y j k, cap is a unit, magnitude is mod, double mod, r vector is a model. That answer is from the square x and y values is square, and apply the root, that is a magnitude. And is dot product of the unit vector, unit is cap, that apply the dot, I cap dot I cap, j cap equal to k cap equal to 1. A cap dot is same magnitude, same units, in apply the dot, his value is 1. When you different unit you apply the dot, the answer is 0, main important. And his cross product unit is next word, is the same, the dot product is same dot, apply the same magnitude for dot, his value is 1. When you cross product, apply the same magnitude to cross product, your value is 0. This minor difference. And next is angle between two vectors, cos theta equal to is angle between two vectors is in second sem engineers, and unit vector useful in engineers. And first sem is vectors, and acceleration is also acceleration is velocity with the time is acceleration. And next is velocity. Next, for any vectors how to dot product two vectors in a dot b dot is a1 a2 is from the a8 is from the b vector, and b1 is the a, b2 is the b, c is all the vectors a1 b1 a2 3, that vectors in cross product how to apply. And matrix, use the determinant, matrix no determinant. And next is scalar triple product is no not important, but you apply the formula some questions, And next is trigonometric formula. Trigonometric formula is in first PUC perfectly in trigonometry formula. Those formulas use trigonometry formula. Those questions use in the trigonometry formulas. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1 plus tan square equal to secant square s 1 cot square equal to cosine square x cosine square theta theta. Question in x is apply the xx angle is xx. Compound angle formula is apply in physics also. Compound angle formula most important. Next sin of a plus x cos of this formulas apply reverse in transformation formula. Sin cos is plus sin of a plus b sin of a minus b. You apply the when you formula you perfect the logic in the composition formula and transformation formula. Remember the formula for you apply the logic and you written in your notes. Main important. Multiple angle formula also important. Sin 2a 2 sin a cos 2a cos square sin minus a. These are the formula used in most questions. Algorithm formula in use second sem also. And solid geometrical formula use in structures, the distance between 2 points. You graph, you apply the paid figure, that is use the formula. You return your notes. And next is nth derivation of the from standard. You not important, but some questions use the formula. This formula uses note down. And handbook is given in your external exams, not but you some mistakes in formulas you check in your library books also. Maclare's series is perfectly correct, and is a Taylor's is perfectly correct. The homogeneous function Caroli. When you not question, you not mandatory how to apply all these formulas. Volume triple integration in Cartesian form. Double integration is double volume for the double integration. Use in a second sem. Most important. Easy questions. Angle between the surface. These apply the vector and vectors. Curl of vector and solid angle. If all these formula is important for the external exam. Provide the in external exam, but some formulas is wrong. Some mistakes. You perfectly in the formula. These formulas are all the correct. Some formulas is wrong, but no written in your notes. Your read in your books. If this far is how to give in the external exam, this formulas is in electrical and communications. Laplace transformation. Third sem is Laplace transformation is a CS stream. And next is transformation inversion. These all the you written in your notes. Next is formula shifting rule. Inverse. L raised to minus 1 is inverse formulas. Convolution theorem. you written in external exam, time is minimum, you written formula, 1 or 2 marks give to the your papers, and these formulas also is correct. Language interpolation formulas is most important in second sem, is all the these all the second sems. And it some CST stream in first sem and EC is the second sem, these formulas. But same book, same all branches to provide the same book, these all the formulas.